Go.
Okay, now we're gonna look at the same kind of problem, but with different numbers. So now we have what is 4% of 40. And starting again with the fraction, I'm gonna think about what is 4% represented as a fraction, and that's gonna be 4 over 100. Because percents are always out of 100, I'm gonna make that my denominator and 4 my numerator. Of is multiplication, and then in order to make 40 into a fraction, it's simple. I just put it over 1. Now again, I'm going to start by simplifying. I'm going to think, well, 4 divided by 4 is 1. 100 divided by 4 is 25. So I can reduce 4 over 100 to 1/25. And I'm going to bring everything else down. Now I have 1/25 times 40 over 1. When I multiply across, I get 1 times 40 is 40. And when I multiply across the bottom, I get 25 times 1 is 25. Now, just like last time, I have an improper fraction, and I know that this fraction line signals division. So if I can just say 40 divided by 25, and I can complete that operation, and it would look like this. 40 divided by 25. Now, 25 goes into 40 only one time. I'm going to subtract that here, regrouping. So I have 10 minus 5 is 5, 3 minus 2 is 1. I'm going to add in a decimal point and bring down a 0, and 25 into 150. Now here, where it is helpful for me to think of quarters in a dollar. So if I had $1.50 and I want to know how many quarters I have, well, I know that there's 4 quarters in $1, 2 quarters in 50 cents, 4 plus 2 is 6. So I'm going to think 5 times 6, 30. 2 times 6 is 12, plus 3 is 15, and I have 150. What is 4% of 40? 1.6.